The Vermont weather stick. Who does not need a stick? Hey everyone, it's Melissa here from Melissa Shares and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a mom to 2 little girls and I'm sharing frugal and practical tips for parents and families. And today I wanted to talk about budget holidays. I've done a budget gift guide on this channel. I've talked about budget Hanukkah over on my other channel. Christmas is around the corner. Like many nice Jewish families, we are celebrating Hanukkah pegged to Christmas because all the kids have been away at college, and so we're doing a delayed holiday celebration, which involves our holiday gift exchange. So I wanted to talk to you about my favorite gifts given or preparing to give, as well as a few gifts that we've already received that have been either budget or re-gift or use gifts. Before I jump in, I do want to share just a couple magazines that I came across that sort of encapsulates how we do our holidays. This was a 1980s holiday magazine, and in it is sort of a guideline for budget holiday celebrating. And I wanted to share this because we are actually doing this. We do a potluck with our family gatherings pretty much for every holiday. This one talks about doing Asian foods, which I do at home on Christmas with our family, like Jews tend to do. Other ideas involve a soup party, doing brunch. We are doing a brunch delayed Hanukkah celebration this year, so it's going to be breakfast foods. That is a great budget saver for whoever is hosting. Some other tips that I really like are planning a party activity, being flexible, and dramatizing one food. The one food at ours is latkes, but at your house it could be, one beautiful dish, and then everything else can be simple. If you do Asian food for the Christmas holiday, the Thanksgiving issue of this last issue of Martha Stewart Living, the last Thanksgiving one, has a really great quick Chinese food recipe roundup in it that I just discovered. So just sharing that with you. Let's dive into the gifts. So first I'm going to share with you what we are giving, and we are very much on a budget, and I have very mixed feelings about the gift exchange at all because everyone in our family is very fortunate and really nobody needs anything. So just bear that in mind as I share my gifts with you. Secondly, I did receive some amazing secondhand gifts from family and friends. So I'm going to share those with you at the end. And as always, I really want to hear your feedback, what your go-to inexpensive gifts are, and anything else that you want to share down below because I know that you're full of ideas. Okay, so over here we are each assigned a gift recipient, and so I'm just going to start with the wine here. Wine is viewed by some as a cop-out gift, but I think it's also something that a lot of people do want to receive. For $25, maybe a little over, I got these 2 bottles at Costco. They are for my father's French ex-wife, who I love, and they are 2 French bottles of wine that I love. I think giving something that you love and know and have tried, a Pouilly Fuissé, and this is a Bordeaux blend that is under $10 at Costco right now. Both are fabulous and both keep well, re-gift well, drink well. So that is what she is going to be receiving. I ordered several things from the Vermont Country Store, and I love the Vermont Country Store. Here is their current catalog. I find that just looking at their catalog is very soothing, relaxing, and really entertaining for my kids. Some of the things that I order from them you cannot get anywhere else. So this is not sponsored, but it's a very truthful share that I just can't get enough of the Vermont Country Store. The first gift is for me. It's the Tangy color changing lipstick. It is super old fashioned. It comes in this really beautiful package. So I share it with you because it's something that I really wanted and I just ordered for myself since I was already going to pay for shipping. It is like an orange color. It smells like oranges and it goes on and then it turns sort of a magenta on me. That is an under $25 gift that you might consider any time of year for someone. In this same genre, I have to give a gift to a teenage girl relative. And so this is sort of the more elaborate version and more modern version of Tangy lipstick. This is a multi-pack of lipsticks that come in crazy colors: red, green, orange, magenta, and blue. And these change to suit your mood. It's like a mood ring, but for your lips. So this came in at about $20. So with tax and shipping, it hit my $25 price point. And I think many teenage girls would love the novelty of this kind of a gift. The next gift from the Vermont Country Store is super wacky. And this is a gift that we gave to my dad for his birthday. It is the Vermont weather stick. This is an actual stick, and so really, like, who does not need a stick? It's really the gift that no one's gonna see coming. You mount this stick on the outside of your house or on a fence post. When the weather is nice, this branch is pointing upward. And when the weather is turning and it's gonna be cold or rainy, this branch is actually gonna bend downward. It comes in a 2-pack for about $12. So this is ours that we're gonna mount on our house. So I'm very excited. So for about $6, you can get this really fun, like, science experiment, interesting, oddball gift. My dad loved his, and we're gonna have ours at our house, and then we're gonna talk on the phone about what our sticks are doing. I promised my husband I would share his gifts that he was responsible for. These are for a young adult nephew of mine. He works in tech, so he is getting a memory stick, which everyone always needs, and he's getting a little man tool, for lack of a better term. This would be like a Leatherman, and it's something that you can sort of keep in your pocket or keep in your car in case of emergencies. So this is, I would call, a man gift for $25 or under. Some of my favorite really practical gifts, you know, if you can know your gift recipient, then I think you are in such a powerful position to give a great gift. For my cousin who loves healthy things, he's practical, he's simple, I'm giving him bubble water. Here it is. This came from Costco. It was on a coupon special for $15 for a case of Pellegrino. Everyone who loves bubble water could use an extra case of bubble water. So that's what he's getting. And honestly, I came in under budget, but my cousin would be glad for me. So I'm not gonna add anything else onto this. My last gift for you, I've shared it with you in my last video. It's worm poop. My cousin could really use this worm poop. I actually just gave her some worms to set her up with her first worm bins, but this is freshly harvested from our worm bins. It is so black. It is so black. This has a little bit of eggshells and things in it, but more or less, oh, and there's a few, I need to put this outside. There's a few pill bugs in there. I'm gonna put it in a really beautiful package for her. We're gonna leave it outside during the party. But this worm castings or worm poop costs a lot of money at the nursery. It is excellent fertilizer for your garden. So if you have a vegetable gardener or a gardener in your household, this is a great gift for them. And this is a gift that I made at home, so it costs $0. I'm gonna set it down. I'm probably gonna put it just in a bucket or something like this, and then wrap it in burlap, and then wrap it with a gorgeous ribbon. And I pick up my ribbon secondhand because that's how I am, or on clearance. And so I have all these like gorgeous jewel tone colors, this really fancy one, and I pick them up for like 30 cents a spool. And you know,
I got out by myself.
Oh, you got out by yourself. Welcome back, my love. Okay, so those are my favorite gifts that I am giving, and I just want to tell you, because you just need to know that I did a gift guide where I said that regifting is totally my style, and lo and behold, my sister regifted us this year my childhood keyboard, my synthesizer keyboard from like the 80s. She had it for years for her children to learn piano on, and she just cleaned out a closet and gave it back to me, and my kids are so excited about it. So that was a really fabulous regift. I also just wanted to open this. Those of you who saw my taking a meal to a new baby video, we took a meal to a new baby that my sorority sister had, and then she just sent used books to us because she knows me. She was like channeling me. She went to a used book sale and got books, one for me and one for each of my girls, and I think it was just the nicest thing that someone could have done, and like not really putting her out, although she did pay for shipping to send it to me. So the first one I love, I'm so excited, is a Lunchbox's book, and I have a Lunchbox YouTube channel, so hop over to Little Kosher Lunch after this, but she thought that one day there'd be one with my name on it, so one day I'll have a Lunchbox cookbook. And the next book's a little baby Yiddish book that's so adorable. and a Bim and Bomb Shabbat tale. So she totally has our number, and my girls are gonna love these books. And best of all, she did not spend a ton of money and she found them secondhand. So it's win-win, good for the environment, good for her, and good for me. And I just wanted to wish you all a really happy holiday. I want you to know that I am not too proud to re-gift or give worm poop to people I know and love. And I hope that you're doing the same. I hope you keep it really simple this holiday and really year-round when it comes to gifting. As always, I love seeing you here. Thank you so much. Give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with a friend who you think might be overspending or overextending themselves, or if you really want to send a message to your friends and family about the things that you don't need and what your priorities are, send them a video like this one. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.